Next concept we are going to be discussing in this session is inheritance. What is meant by inheritance? What are the different types of inheritance? How we can able to implement the inheritance concept by using Java? We'll discuss now. Inheritance is the process of acquiring the properties and methods of one class to derive another class. See, already existing class from where we are going to be use the properties and methods. That class will be called as base class, and the newly formed class will be called as derived class. The base class is also called as parent class or superclass. Base class is also called as parent class or superclass. Derived class will also called as subclass or child class. From where we are acquiring the properties and methods to derive one class, that class will be called as base class or superclass or parent class. The newly derived class will be called as derived class or subclass or child class. Main advantage of inheritance is code reusability. See, in one class, I have three methods. In one class, I have three methods. And in another class, I need five methods. Among the five methods, I need to have the three methods what we have in this particular class. In another class, I need five methods. Among all the five methods, I need uh, the three methods already which is existing in another class. If we are maintaining the parent and child relationship of those two classes, that is easy relationship, so then automatically we no need to implement those three methods what is existed in the other class into this new class. Simply we can use of it and we can develop other two methods what we need as a new to this particular method, particular class. So with that, instead of developing again five methods, if you are developing two methods, it is fine. Okay. So types of inheritance. Types of inheritance. Single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance. These are the different types of inheritance we have. Single level inheritance in a sense, from one class we are going to be derived another class. See, I mean to say like this class we are deriving one derived class. I From one parent class we are deriving one child class. That is nothing but single level inheritance. From one inheritance or from one class we are deriving a single class. That is nothing but single level inheritance. And coming to the multi-level inheritance, we are deriving one class which is already derived from other class. I mean to say like from class A we have derived class B, and from class B we are deriving class C. deriving a class coming to multi-level inheritance, deriving a class from the class which is derived from other. Like from A, we are deriving B, from B, we are deriving C, like this. If it is a single level inheritance, from A to B, we are going to be deriving it. From A to B, we are deriving a class. From A to B, we are deriving the class. Multiple inheritance innocence. More than one parent class is used for deriving a single child class. More than one parent class is used to derive a single child class. That is A, comma B, comma C. So more than one parent class which is used for deriving a single child class. That is D we are deriving. So A, B, C are the parent classes. From these three parent classes, we are deriving a single child class, that is D. C. Java will not support multiple inheritance using classes. We can implement it with interface. So how we can able to implement with the help of interfaces? Why we cannot able to implement this multiple inheritance with the help of classes? That all we will discuss. In the inheritance concept, we will discuss that. Hierarchical inheritance. From a single parent class, we are going to be derive more than one child class. More than from a single parent class will derive more than one child class. Sorry, child class. From a single parent class will derive more than one child class. That is nothing but hierarchical inheritance. B, C, D. From the class A, we are going to derive class B, C, D. Okay. So then what is meant by hybrid inheritance? Combination of more than one type of inheritance, like hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance combination, like that we can say the hybrid inheritance, which also not implement by using Java classes, cannot be implemented by using Java classes, because multiple inheritance we cannot able to implement by using classes. In a similar way, if you want to implement the combination of multiple inheritance and multi hierarchical inheritance, then that is also not possible. That is also not possible to implement. Now we will see how we can able to implement this single level inheritance first. So if you want to implement To derive a class from another class, will use extends class, extends keyword, sorry. To derive a class from another class, we'll use extends keyword. So whatever may be the properties and methods we have in one class will be used for deriving another class. See, that concept will implement here. I'll be taking one class. Let me consider this a parent A. Parent A. So I'm not taking any child class here. Sorry, and I'm not taking any public static void main here. Just this is a class, and we have method one, parent A. So I didn't given the return type. So at least we need to give void return type. So just I'm going to give the concept first. Implementation of method one, parent A. So we have two methods. We have two methods here. So I'll be taking one more class. Let me consider that class as a child class. And there itself, I'm going to take public static void main. See, single level inheritance innocence, we are going to be derived one class from one existing class. We are deriving from one class, like by using one parent class, we are deriving one child class. See here, first we'll discuss the concept, how we are going to be get this and all. See here, implementation of method one, child A. And I'll be taking one more method here. Method two, child A. See, now parent A is one class, parent A is one class, child A is another class. Parent A is one class, child A is another class. Now, if I am creating the object, for this child class, if I'm creating the object for this child class, if I'm creating the object to the child class, how it is going to be work? If I'm creating the object to the child class, CA dot, what are the methods I can able to access here? Only child class methods I can able to access here. Child class methods I can able to access here. Other than that, so we cannot able to access the parent class method. See, this is method 1 child A, method 2 child A. These two are child class methods only. So we can able to access only child class methods. We can able to access only child class methods here. Now, if we want to access the parent class methods, what we have to do? Till now, I have written this parent A and child A classes. I didn't given the relationship of those two classes. So for that, what I'm going to do is for this parent A class, for this parent A class, I'll be giving here as extends keyword and parent. From this parent, from this parent, we are deriving this particular child. So now we have parent and child relationship. With the help of child class object, I can able to access the parent class methods. I can able to access parent class method. So all the four methods I can able to access into the child class. All the four methods I can able to access in the child class. This is how we can able to implement single level inheritance. Now this is a single level inheritance. We will develop or we will give the example for multi-level inheritance. From class A, we are deriving class B, and from that class B, we are deriving class C. That is multi-level inheritance. Parent A1, this is the class I have taken. Sorry. Parent AB. Sorry, I don't want main method here. Parent AB. Now here from parent A1, I am deriving parent AB. So extends parent A1. Extends parent A1. See, here you can see that from the class A, we have derived class B. And now I'll be taking one more class. Along with that, I'll take main method. Child A1. See, now here extends parent AB. See, from parent A1, we have derived parent AB, and from parent AB, we have derived child A1. From parent A1, we have derived parent AB, and from parent AB, we have derived child A1. So now we'll have the methods here. Got it? multi-level inheritance. From the class A, we have derived class B, and from class B, we have derived this class C. Now we'll see how we can able to access the methods. So I'll be taking one more method here. Now here we'll be taking some methods. Method 1, parent AB. So if we want one more method also, we can able to implement here. See here we have derived this class as well, and child class. I'll be taking one method only enough. Void method 1 child A1. So if I'm creating the object of this child, CCA, just this is the object I have created, and I can able to access method 1 parent A1, method 2 parent A1, method 1 parent AB, method 2 parent AB, method 3 parent AB, and we'll be having here child A1. So these are all the methods we have from all the three classes. I can able to access into this child class with the help of child class object. Okay, so we are getting all the methods to be get implemented here. So this is multi-level inheritance. In the coming session, we'll discuss multiple inheritance, why it is not going to be inherit That is, we cannot able to implement multiple inheritance with the help of classes. We'll see, uh, and then we'll implement the hierarchical inheritance.